Hey everyone, welcome back to NumPy series. In this video, we are going to discuss about an introduction to NumPy, why we use NumPy, and also what we can do with NumPy, and also how to install it. Okay, so very simple. NumPy in the name itself, it says that it's a numerical Python. It's one of the library related to pandas, which is a powerful Python library used for numerical and scientific computing. It provides support for large multi-dimensional arrays and mathematical operations to perform fast computations. A simple understanding, NumPy is used for storing information in array format in different dimensions. And also we can use this NumPy for performing certain mathematical operations as well. So you might have a question like why NumPy, even though we have a different options to store information, we have studied list, tuple, set, dictionary. These things can be used to store information, right? But still, why we need a NumPy? NumPy is like very much faster compared to your Python list because so list has a capacity to store a different data type, but NumPy has a capacity to store a similar data type of huge amount. Okay, efficiency. It can handle a large data set with very ease because it is storing a similar data type, and memory wise also it is better compared to list. It takes less memory. So mathematical power, it supports different mathematical operations like matrix operations, linear algebra, statistics, and also random numbers. And it's super important for foundation of ML such as libraries like pandas, scikit-learn, tensorflow, which are built on top of a NumPy. So what NumPy can do is like it can be used to create and manipulate arrays like handling large data sets efficiently. You can perform fast mathematical operations like matrix operations can be done easily without loops. Statistical analysis, easy to calculate certain statistical terms like mean, median, standard deviation, etc. So linear algebra computation, like you can perform matrix multiplication, inverse calculation, decompositions, lot many things. And this can be integrated even with other libraries like pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. So major thing is with NumPy, we can store information in different dimensions. Second thing, NumPy is super important whenever you want to generate an array with certain numbers, and you can also perform certain mathematical operations as well. So very first thing, like how do you install? We all know that NumPy is a library, so it needs to be installed first. So in order to install it, so you can use pip install, exclamatory pip install NumPy. Since we are using a Google Colab, it comes with pre-installation, so no need to install. You can directly start importing NumPy library using import NumPy as MP. You can just use this code and you can import it. See, even if you install it, it says the requirement already satisfied because we are using a Google Colab which comes with pre-installations. Okay, so this is all about introduction to NumPy, why NumPy is important, and also one more application of this NumPy is since we're gonna store information in different dimensions. Let's say for example images. You all might have seen images are made up of pixels. So in deep learning, in order to store images, usually we use a concept called as an arrays. So it will be storing in different rows and different columns. We call it like uh, tensors usually, which stores pixel values, and you can perform a lot many things, reshaping, um, and lot many processing we gonna do with the images as well. That's the real use case of a NumPy. So in the next video, let's discuss about how to create an array, what exactly is an array, different dimensions of an array, all those things. Let's explore it in our next video. Thank you. Happy learning.